more milestone in terms of somebody as prestigious and as capable as Akshay Kumar tying up with us. So thank you, Akshay. Welcome to the Tata Motors family.
Thank you very much. So now I'm a member of this family, and जैसे कि आपको पता है कि member वाले जो भी कुछ मांगते हैं फैमिली को देना पड़ता है, तो मैं एक ट्रक मांगता हूँ टाटा वालों से, मुझे एक ट्रक दिया जाए. So this is the benefit of being a family member. Am I right? Yes. Perfect. सबको एक एक ट्रक मुफ्त.
आपको जरूर देंगे अगर आप अपने फिल्म में उसको यूज करोगे.
हाँ जी, फिल्म में बिल्कुल. तो पक्की बात है जी, मेरा वादा है कि हमें ट्रक दिया जाएगा, हम उसे फिल्म के अंदर डालेंगे, क्योंकि वैसे भी फिल्मों में कौन सा ट्रक यूज होता है? टाटा ही यूज होता है. चलिए सर, मैं अब रवि जी से एक सवाल पूछना चाहूंगा. सर, मैं आपसे एक पूछना चाहता हूँ कि सर, पूरी इंडस्ट्री में इतने सारे एक्टर्स हैं, आपने मुझे ही क्यों चुना टाटा के लिए?
So I think this is a question which I've been asked a lot over the last few days. Even today morning we had some media interaction, and I think not only you, everybody is waiting to listen to the answer. So let me say that our starting point was not even that we need to use a celebrity. But over the years, especially the last 3 to 5 years, we have been continuously brainstorming to project a more dynamic and vibrant brand image for Tata. What are the things we need to do? So when the idea of a celebrity came up, we said, okay, try karte hain. And we said, let's do some research. So we did some research with our customers. Everything we do, including the product we are launching here, is based on the research and the feedback we get from them. So we started doing some research where we went to 16 cities, 10,000 members. But let me not do it like this. Let me do it filmy style. Let's see a film on what really went into selecting you as a...
You made a film?
Yes. Then can we have the film, please?
Thank you very much. And let me tell you what happens when I told my mother that I have been associated with Tata. She became very happy. She became very happy because बचपन से ही टाटा का नाम सुनते ही दिमाग में हमेशा ये आता है, यार ये मजबूत चीज होगी, एक टिकाऊ चीज होगी, ये सस्ती भी होगी. So it is an amazing thing. I'll tell you, मतलब वैसे तो मैं बहुत सारे एड्स करता हूँ, लेकिन टाटा का जब मैंने नाम दिया, अपनी माँ को बताया कि मैं अभी टाटा के एड्स करूँगा, उनके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर हूँ, उनके लिए मैं काम करूँगा, and I'm going to be joining their family. She became very happy. That's all.
So just to complete the story on why Akshay. So we did this research over 16 cities, 10,000 people, and we put into the basket a set of 48 to 50 celebrities, both in the entertainment world as well as the sporting world. And we were quite prepared to actually take an answer that maybe doesn't work for us. But what was phenomenally surprising was the name of Mr. Akshay Kumar came up with an 88% fit to the Tata Motors brand. The story was extremely compelling, and I think each of us, if you think through what Mr. Akshay Kumar stands for, and if you think through what Tata Motors stands for, I think the 88% is not an exaggeration. अंदर से लगता है कि this is right, and this is the right person for us to have. So thank you for agreeing to our offer and joining us as secretary. So how do you feel about this association with Tata Motors?
Well, I told you about how my mother feels about the association, and let me tell you, the association, when I think that I am along with Tata, जब मैं टाटा के साथ अपना नाम सुनता हूँ, जोड़ता हूँ, मुझे अंदरूनी खुशी होती है, दिल से खुशी होती है. मुझे अपने बचपन के सारे दिन याद आते हैं, बहुत सारी चीजें जो मैंने देखी हैं. हमने बचपन से ही ये नाम हमेशा के लिए सुनते आए हैं, टाटा टाटा, ये टाटा, वो टाटा, ये टाटा सॉल्ट, टाटा, कोई भी हर चीज में टाटा का नाम जरूर आता है. एंड आई डोंट नो, आई कैन नॉट, मैं अपने आप को इजहार नहीं कर सकता हूँ. शब्दों में नहीं बता सकता कि what I feel so happy about it. I feel complete that such a big brand I get an opportunity for me to be engaging myself with such a big brand. So I feel, thank you very much, all I can say.
Thank you for these positive comments. And I think we really cherish the words that you said. And you've been now working with us over the last few weeks, shooting our commercials. What has been your experience during these TV shows?
मैं आप लोगों को एक किस्सा बताता हूँ कि जब मैंने एड शूट कर रहा था तो they are very tough masters, I must tell you. ये लेके आए 4 ऐड 2 दिन में खत्म करने के लिए, 4 ऐड 2 दिन में खत्म करने के लिए, जबकि अमूमन ये होता नहीं है. And I had to even do a photo shoot. And I had to do about 8 changes plus 4 changes of the ads which I had to do. Altogether 12 changes I had to do when I had to do this. And before I go ahead with it and I tell you, I'll just show you the first Yoda ad. And I want you to guys see it. It's very nice. It's a very family kind of an ad which I think I have enjoyed working in it. I hope you guys enjoy it.
It was very powerful, very much like your, what you stand for.
Well,
perfect fit.
Ravi ji, I'm sure you know it. You have passed the ad. So, जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि ये योद्धा का ad, योद्धा का मतलब कोई बता सकता है? मैं क्यों पूछूं? Okay, so बिल्कुल it was a very tough. वैसे तो और भी ad हैं, 3 और ad हैं जो अभी दिखाना है. Can we show it now? So can we see it? Then we'll talk about this.
And I said in the beginning that the fit of Akshay with our portfolio is phenomenal. You saw 4 different films on 4 different categories. In every film, Akshay felt to be the most appropriate brand ambassador we can use. So whether it's a Yoda or an Ace or a Sigma or CV range, Akshay did not look out of place anywhere. He fitted in completely. Just shows the versatility he has, and we hope we have the same versatility to keep pace with you.
Well, as I said earlier, I'm more happy than Tata people that I'm coming here. I'm more happy that I am associated with Tata. That gives me an immense pleasure to be associated with the Tata family. You guys, thank you very much for being here.
So we have, just to give you a description of the audience here, besides of course the media men who are very prominent, we have a lot of dealers here. And I think the relationship with Tata Motors and dealers is something I want to spend just 2 minutes explaining. While we do add new dealers every year, but most of them sign up for life. There are many dealers here who are 3rd generation. They became dealers in the 50s, probably their grandfather became a dealer, then their father became a dealer, and today the new generation is taking over. And I think Tata Motors would not have been where it is today without the support of our dealers. So give all of yourselves a fantastic round of applause. And this is almost an entry barrier for competition. Competition is interested in India, they are trying to nibble, but our dealers and the relationship we have is something which is critical for us. Now I know many of them want to talk to you, you probably want to talk to them, so maybe I'll just move out of the way and the floor is between you and the audience now.
Thank you very much. वैसे बिल्कुल सही कहा है कि टाटा के साथ एक बार जो जुड़ जाए वो हटता नहीं. मैं इस गाड़ी के अंदर आया हूँ and the guy who was driving me, Mr. Khan, क्या नाम है आपका? शहबाज खान. तो ये मुझसे बात कर रहे थे क्या, क्योंकि 5 मिनट में पीछे गाड़ी के अंदर ही बैठा हुआ था. And he was telling me कि कितने सालों से ये टाटा के साथ, कितने सालों से आपने? 13 साल से ये टाटा के साथ है और कभी सोच भी नहीं सकते कुछ और करने के लिए सिवाय टाटा के साथ. That showed a lot of greatness. Thank you very much. तो चलिए अब मैं तो बहुत सारी बातें कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन मैं ये चाहूंगा कि आप में से कोई मुझसे कुछ पूछना चाहता है। पहले से तैयार है? मेरे को पता था कि मैं ये बोलने वाला हूँ।
Could we have a mic, please?
Akshay here. Yeah. Hello.
Where are you?
Yeah. Good evening to all. This.
Just
Akshay,
raise
you're
your
there,
hand.
you're
Akshay.
Raise your hand.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Is
Good
your
evening.
name Akshay as well?
Yeah.
Oh wow,
I'd like to
Akshay,
ask.
Akshay.
Okay. Now, are you a dealer or a journalist?
No, I'm from media.
You're from media.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'd like to ask you that मुंबई में ट्रैफिक बहुत बड़ी समस्या है। अगर इस मुंबई में ट्रैफिक को ऑड एंड इवन स्कीम लाया जाता है तो आप उसके फेवर में होंगे कि नहीं होंगे? हम आपकी राय चाहिए।
आप मुझे पॉलिटिक्स में क्यों घसीटना चाहते हैं? लेकिन ऑड एंड इवन का जो है चक्कर, ये डीलर्स के अगेंस्ट है, जिसका इसके बेनिफिट्स भी हैं, नॉट बेनिफिट्स भी हैं, so it becomes very difficult to answer this because when I go to Delhi and I have spoken to a lot of people, so some people are in favor, some people are not in favor, so it is a one question that the answer has to be a little bit both the sides. I don't know where to go. So if you want to इनके कोई क्वेश्चन को किसी को जवाब देना तो हाथ खड़े कर लीजिए भैया, who are in favor? So जी एक ही आदमी है, who are not in favor? अजी हाथ खड़े कर लीजिए, क्या हो गया? Yes मैम, आपके हाथ में बात करूँ।
So Akshay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm just interrupting you for half a second, but honestly speaking, this is going to be a chat between our dealer partners, our customers, and Mr. Kumar. The rest of the forum will be open for our members of media separately, and we do have place for that. So if I may make a small little request, could we first give the opportunity to our dealer friends, our customers, to have a conversation with Mr. Kumar after your questions.
After this formal session,
Yeah,
we
after
will go
this
to another
we
room.
have
We'll
time
the
for media.
media interactions.
But
Okay?
after your question, of course.
Thank you. So Akshay, I would like to go forward Mr. Ravi's answer to your question. Exactly, I think you are the human version. You are the human version of machine, and the way your career has shaped. That is the best example of a Yoddha.
Did you call me a machine?
No, he called you a carrier.
So जैसा कि अभी किसी ने बोला कि आप बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल हैं योद्धा के, the way your career has shaped up. आपके लिए योद्धा का क्या definition है? Because normally the kind of assumption we have for a yoddha is a man holding a gun and doing impeccable gun. It's gun. Gun.
So not necessarily he's holding a gun. He is holding his fort. He's holding his life. He's holding his family. It is not necessarily योद्धा मतलब not necessarily कि सिर्फ soldier जो war के लिए जाता है वहीं. It is all about even being with the family, holding on to your family, holding on to your company. So that whole thing is also in the sense of योद्धा only. So मैं समझता हूँ एक बहुत बड़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है जब आदमी कोई कहता है यार ये तो योद्धा की सरकार, इज अ वॉरियर, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए जिंदगी में इस पे ट्रस्ट रहता है, इस पे यकीन है, ये कभी हमें धोखा नहीं देगा, ये हमेशा साथ रहेगा. So that is a big responsibility, and today Tata company, Tata Motors are offering you a Yoddha, which I can also say I believe in it and I trust it.